Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SEMrush for local SEO listings step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type SEMrush.com into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the SEMrush homepage to load completely. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your SEMrush dashboard. On the dashboard, find the Projects section. Click on Projects to manage your local SEO listings. If you haven't set up a project yet, click on the Create Project button. Fill in the required details about your business location. After entering the necessary information, click Create Project. Your project will now be set up, and you can start optimizing your. Explore the available tools and features related to local SEO. Ready to enhance your local presence using SEMrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.